16 you completed. Okay.
Yes.
Do the 17 also.
Doing.
Yeah. And yesterday I told you to send me the picture of crossword.
Oh yeah, that.
You forgot?
Yes.
Okay. But you completed by yourself, right?
Yes, I completed. I wrote all the answers.
Okay. Are you able to do it?
Yes.
Yeah. Because in this case, this variable is in right hand side. So that also you need to bring left hand side.
Left hand side. I bought it.
Yeah, yeah. Okay.
So it is coming x is equal to -6.
What? X equal to -6.
Yes.
Just a second. Let me check. -6 by 2 is -3. Then -3 plus 2. That is -1. And minus is -3. Right. Okay. Next question number 19. It is looking like difficult. Try it.
Okay.
See, you can do like this is your variable term and this is your variable term. So bring
Yes.
this from this side. This is your constant term. So bring this right hand side, okay? And then take
Yes.
LCM and multiply and go ahead, okay?
So in this 7y minus 3 divided by 3, how it will becoming 7y plus 3 into 3.
Okay, okay. Just a second, I will do it. See, it is given that 6y plus 1 divided by 2 plus 1 will be equal to 7y minus 3 divided by 3. Okay. There
Yes.
are several methods. First method, what we can do, we can just evaluate it. So this is 1 by 1. So take the LCM. LCM of 2 and 1 is 2. 2 2
2.
is 1. So it will become 6y plus 1, right?
Yes.
And plus 1 2s are 2, 2 1s are 2. So it will become 2 will be equal to 7y minus 3 divided by 3. Okay,
Okay.
got it? Okay. Now
Yes.
evaluate this. So it will become 6y plus 2 plus 1 3 divided by 2 will be equal to 7y minus 3 divided by 3. Okay. Now cross multiply
Okay.
it. Yeah. Become, so if you cross multiply it will become 3 into 6y plus 3, that will be equal to 2 into 7y minus 3, right? Then
Yes.
3 into 6y, that is 18y plus 9 will be equal to 14y
14 minus
minus 6. Okay. And then all the constant one side, all the variable on the other side. You can do that way.
Okay.
Got it?
Okay.
Yeah. Same way you can do question number 20. Try it and solve and check the answer. Or you can tell me.
Yes.
First evaluate the rational number and cross multiply it, and then bring all the variable left hand side, all the constant right hand side, and then solve it.
X is equal to 0 as per I did. And the answer is
What you are saying?
I did, and it came 0, that X is equal to 0. And after checking the answer,
Yeah.
19 worksheet 1, it's coming 9.
What it
It's
is
it
coming?
is This is 20, right?
Yeah.
X is coming minus 1 by 2.
See, I am doing it. Uh, First of all, 6x minus 2, 6x minus 2 by 5 is equal to 2x minus 1 by 3 minus 1 by 3, right?
Yes.
So it is 6x minus 2 divided by 5. Here LCM will be 3. Both have same denominator, so we can just add the
2x minus 1.
2x minus 1 and minus 1, right?
Yes.
So this becomes 6x minus 2 divided by 5 will be equal to 2x minus 2 divided by 3.
Yeah. So cross
Okay,
multiplication we will do. It coming
right,
5 multiplied by in a bracket 2x minus 2
right.
means the, yeah.
Okay, so it will become
Yes.
18x minus 6. This will become
Minus.
10x minus 10, right?
Okay, I didn't multiply the second term.
Yeah,
Minus 2 and minus 2. Okay.
got it?
Yes.
Okay, then do the question number 22 because it is star marks, star question.
Yes. Yes.
Completed?
No, doing it.
Okay.
It is coming 66 by 5. X is coming.
X equal to 66 by 5.
Yes.
Check the answer.
Let's answer 22x is coming minus 6 by 5.
Minus 6 by 5. And what you are getting? 66 by 5.
Yes.
How come it is? See, this is one full term, right?
Yes.
So 10 is in multiplication this side will come and become, sorry, division this side. So this side come and become multiplication. So this term will be like 10 into 2x minus 3 equal to 3 into 5x minus 12, right?
Okay, this way. Then
Yeah.
because I took 3 by 2 as it is, 3 by 10 as it is.
But that way also you can do, like you can just multiply with 3 by 10 to this and 3 by 10 to this.
Yeah, so 3 by 10 and 5 means we need to
Okay,
do.
I will do that way. 2x minus 3 will be, if you multiply 3 by 10 and 5x, it will become 3 by 10 into 5x minus
Yes.
12 into
3
3
by
by 10.
10 into 12, minus 12 by 1. It
Okay,
will be minus 12, no?
yeah, minus 12 into 3 by 10.
Okay.
So
Okay,
5
okay.
2s are 10. So it will become 2x minus 3 equal to 3x by 2 minus this become 5 and this become 2, 6. You can say that is 18 by 5, right? Hello?
It came that way. I mean, what I did, I didn't, in multiplication, I didn't converted them into lowest term. I mean, I kept 5x as it is.
That
So
way also
that's
you
why
can
it
do.
came,
Okay, that
yeah,
way
that
also you
way it
can.
came
2x minus
15x by
3,
10 minus 36 by 10 it came.
15x by 10, right?
Yes.
Minus 36 by 10.
Yeah, yes.
So this is variable will come left hand side. This is constant will come right hand side. So 2
Yes.
minus 15x by 10, because 15x is plus, it comes this side and become minus.
Minus, yes.
And this side
Is equal to
minus
plus 3 plus
by
36 by
10
10.
plus 3, right?
Yes.
Okay. So here 10 will be the LCM.
Yes.
This become 20x
Yes.
minus 15x.
Minus 15x.
And here also 10 will be LCM. This is minus
Yes.
36
So 30 plus
or plus
36 by 10.
30, right?
Minus, yes.
So this becomes 5x by 10.
Yes.
This becomes minus 6 by 10.
Minus 6.
Yeah, minus
Okay.
36 plus 3. 30 is
Yes.
minus.
Okay. What I did was I did minus 36 by 10. That's
Yeah,
why it came
minus 3 is plus this side. So when we come left hand side, it will become minus to plus 3, right?
Yes, yes.
Yeah. But this type of question, you haven't done any right one. I want you to do one right answer. Uh,
Yes.
do the 21 number and give me the right answer.
Doing it. I did z minus 1 by 3 is equal to 1 plus z minus 2 by 4. So I took z minus 2 by 4 to left hand side to because one the variable should be at one side. So it became z minus 1 by 3 minus z minus 2 by 4 is equal to 1.
Right.
So 2z minus 2 by 12 it came because I took LCM 12.
Yeah.
So 2z minus 2 minus 3z minus 6 by 12 is equal to 1. So 12, 12, it will become, it is as it is 12. So it will become 2z minus 3z
How it
minus
comes
2
2z minus 2?
minus 3z.
See, if you do this like this, z minus 1 by 3
Okay, okay.
minus z minus 2 by 4, right?
Okay, okay, yes.
So LCM will be 12.
12 and 3
So
multiplied by 4 it
3
will be.
4s are 12. So 4
So
into z minus 1,
4z.
right?
Yes, 4z. Okay.
And
I took
minus 4
2.
3s are 12. So 3 into this, right?
Yes.
So minus 3 into z minus 2. And that is equal to 1. Okay.
It will be, I did 4z minus 4, no? Means 4z minus 4 by
Yeah.
12 minus 32, 3z.
4z minus 4. And then you multiply with minus 3. So it will become minus 3z. And then minus 3 into minus 2. That is plus 6. Divided by 12 equal to 1. 4z.
How? Yes, 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 yes.
So 4z and minus 3z. It will become opposite sign, subtraction. It will become z.
Yeah, 1z.
Minus
Yeah,
4 and
that is
6
good.
become 2. So z plus 2 by 12 equal to 1.
How
Cross
it is
12.
plus
Yeah.
6? How it is plus 6? Minus 3 minus 2. Here, whole minus.
Yeah. Minus
I
3 into minus 2. Minus
okay,
3
you
into
took
minus 2.
minus
Yeah.
3.
Yeah.
Okay.
12 is in division. This side will come multiplication. It means z plus 2 will be equal to 1 into 12. Or z will be equal to 12 and plus this side will come minus. So 12 minus 2. So z will be 10.
Okay.
Got it?
I didn't understood the method means 4 into z minus how you did.
See, z minus 3 upon, sorry, z minus 1 upon 3, right?
Yes.
Minus z minus 2 upon 4 equal to 1. LCM
Yes.
is 12.
12.
So what we do, we first divide this LCM with denominator. So if we
Yes.
divide 12 with 3, it becomes 4. And whatever will come
Yes.
will multiply with numerator, right?
Okay.
So it
That
is
you multiply 4. So that's why you write whole multiplied z. Okay,
right.
okay.
Minus, and then again this way you can do 4 into 12, 4 3s are 12 and 3 into this. So 3 into z minus 2 will be 1. Or you can do like z minus 1 by 3 minus z minus 2 by 4 will be equal to 1. So do the common denominator. So to common denominator, we need to multiply this by 4, right? I
Yes.
need to multiply this by 3, right?
Okay. Yes.
So it become 4 into z minus 1 divided by 12 minus 3 into z minus 2 divided by 12 equal to 1. So now just 12 will be
Okay.
common, so denominator will be subtracted. Numerator will be subtracted, right? Any of the
Okay.
method you can use. You can do LCM or you can do common denominator also. We have done a lot
Okay.
of question on common denominator.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
So I want you to do question number 20, 21, 22 by yourself and 19, 19, 20, 21, 22 as a homework.
Okay.
Okay. Now
Okay.
do question number 24 by yourself.
Okay.
Yeah.
Does 180 and 143 comes in a table of
What?
which
One?
table? 180 divided by 143.
180 divided by 143. No. No,
Hello?
not at all. No. Okay, I'll do it. This is the variable and this is the
Yeah,
variable, right?
I bought the variable to this side.
Okay, so it is 0.6x minus 0.28x will be equal
Not
to,
0.8.
yeah,
No, no. I just did like it's minus 28. It is
so 0.6 minus 0.28, how much you will get?
28 minus 6. It will become. So
Which is
you
greater,
will
zero
get
point 0.6 is greater or 0.28 is greater?
0.28.
No, 0.6 is greater.
So how? Okay, you need to convert in fractions and then do it.
Then also, whatever it is, you need to see the first digit, right? First digit is 6, first digit is 2.
Okay, like that. I didn't know
Yeah.
that.
So it is like 0.60 and is 0.28. So if you subtract,
Okay,
opposite sign subtract, so it will become 0.32.
okay,
And
like this.
yeah, and
Then my
1.16 minus 0.8. So it will become 1.16 minus 0.80.
yeah, that
It
I
is,
did right.
so that is 6 and 11 with 3, 6.
0.36. Yeah.
Right. So your
Okay,
it
this
will become
32. Okay, like this if
0.
you do, I didn't know that.
Yeah,
That.
0.32x will be equal to 0.36. So x will be equal to 0.36 divided by 0.32, or it will be equal, you can say like 36 by 32, because both have two numbers after digit, right?
Yes. So
So it will be
multiplied
9
by
by
100.
8. So x will be equal to 9 by 8.
Okay.
So this question also you have to do as a homework. So question number 24. See, I want you to go from 14 to 25. Do all question by yourself.
Okay.
Okay? Before coming to next
Okay.
class. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
Okay. Then if you make become comfortable in this kind of sum, then we'll go ahead for next type. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, bye.
Hello, sir.
Yeah.
एक्चुअली वो मार्क्स आपको बताना था
किसका?
मैथ्स और साइंस का जो हुआ था
कितना है
तो
मार्क्स?
उसमें मैथ्स में आई गॉट 24 आउट ऑफ 25
Wow, great. And science?
और साइंस में 23 आउट ऑफ 25.
Wow, superb. You did excellent. Good, good. Celebrate the result and keep doing like this. Okay?
ओके
Okay, bye.
थैंक यू सर.
Thank you.